If you're new to Notion and wondering why some people's pages look clean, colorful, and super functional, the secret is often icons. Icons aren't just for aesthetics. They help you navigate faster, stay organized, and even make your workspace feel more personal. In this video, we're diving into where you can add icons in Notion and the 5 types of icons you can use, from emojis and built-ins to custom uploads and animated GIFs. Let's jump in. You can add an icon to any page by clicking Add Icon at the top. This icon will also appear in the sidebar, which helps you quickly identify pages when you're scrolling. Icons can be added to the database itself and also to individual entries when you open them in full page view. And here's something many beginners miss. You can also add icons to database properties like select or formula to make your layouts clearer and more visual. This is the first option you'll see when adding an icon. It includes the full emoji library and it's searchable. There's also a random button if you want Notion to pick one for you. And if you use skin tone emojis, there's a skin tone selector right next to it. So every emoji you pick will automatically use your chosen tone. Notion also comes with its own icon library. These icons match Notion's minimalist aesthetic. Clean, simple, and super polished. You can search by keyword, pick from preset categories, or use the random button. You can also select from Notion's native color palette, which matches the colors you'd use for text highlights or tags. Great for consistency. If you want to use your own image or logo, you can upload any PNG, JPEG, or SVG as an icon. I recommend designing icons in Canva using the logo template. Make sure to export it with a transparent background for the cleanest look. To add it into your Notion page, just go to the Upload tab and upload an image. You can also paste a direct image URL. One of the best sites for this is Notionicons.so. You can browse themed icon packs, customize the color and stroke width, and preview in both light and dark mode before copying the link. Just paste the link into the custom icon box in Notion and you're good to go. Yep, your icons can move. You can use GIFs or animated stickers as your icon by uploading them or pasting a public GIF link. I recommend Giphy.com, but here's the trick. Use the stickers tab, not GIFs. Stickers have transparent backgrounds and loop smoothly, so they look much better as icons. So that's a full tour of where you can add icons in Notion and all the different types you can use from simple to advanced. In part 2, I'll walk you through how to actually add these icons step by step and how to preset them in templates to save time. If that sounds useful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.